my name is Olinka. I'm from Slovakia, and I would like to say that I stayed in a hotel Buffon de Aranjuez 1 week, and everything was perfect. We had really nice time, and it was perfect holiday. Firstly, I have to say that the staff was really friendly, and they are really interested in customer needs. Secondly, rooms of hotel are very nice, cozy, clean, and well equipped. And if you come here, you should visit the restaurant of this hotel, because here you can try the typical food of Asturias and also the bar. The hotel is situated in the nature, so you can just hang around and going for a walk, because everywhere around here is really nice and beautiful, and what I have to say. So if you are looking for accommodation in Asturias, you should choose the Buffon de Aranjuez, because it's a really good choice. Bye.